gusto ko i-describe kung sino si Casey sa buhay ko. And that, yun yung song eh.
Sa tuwing tinatanong puso ko, saan ba ang hantong laging ikaw ang tinuturo? Hirap at sa aking paghagilap ng aking mga pangarap, laging sa'yo pumapatungo. Pag-ibig ko ikaw ang aking payapa, ang aking hilong, pinalangin payapa, sagot sa aking tanong, ikaw ang kalmado kong hangin, ilaw ko sa dilim, sa mundo kong puro pero, ikaw ang aking sigurado. Not just my peace, but you are my healing as well. A lot of people might actually think that we've always had a perfect relationship because of what they see in social media. But God knows, and our friends know, our pastor knows, it was never an easy ride. It was a crazy ride. But you rode with me, and you fought with me. My safe space. That even by your presence alone, I feel sure, so sure, na sa mundo kong puro baka, siguro at pero, ikaw ang aking sigurado.